She is rolling out the dough. She is kneading the dough. She is baking the cookies. She is scooping the cookie dough. She is melting the butter. She is pouring milk into a bowl. She is squeezing a lemon. She is spreading peanut butter on a piece of toast. She is toasting the bread. She is grilling meat. She is roasting the nuts. She is frying eggs. She is simmering the sauce. She is opening a can. She is blending fruit. She is basting the turkey. She is marinating the chicken. She is steaming vegetables. She is seasoning the meat. She is crushing garlic.